Good morning, students. Today we are going to see about the sum up of the prose I can't climb trees anymore and the summary of the supplementary lesson, the fun they had. Dear students, let us see the sum up of last class topic I can't climb trees anymore. Here, author Ruskin Bond was the narrator. Narrator came back to his old house, which is now owned by a colonel. There he met colonel's little daughter. The narrator was happy to see the old jackfruit tree still standing beside the house. He shared some of his childhood memories with her. He said that he kept his grandfather's iron cross in the hollow of the jackfruit tree. Then the girl climbed and brought that iron cross to the narrator. But narrator returned it to that girl and walked away. And he said that he didn't come for that iron cross, but he came for looking for his youth. The story, The Fun They Had, is written by Isaac Asimov, a noted science fiction writer. Asimov was born on January 2nd, 1920. He was an American writer and professor of biochemistry at Boston University. He was known for his work of science fiction and popular science. He was a prolific writer and also considered as one of the best science fiction writers during his lifetime. Characters of this story. It tells the story of two young children named Tommy, 13-year-old boy, and Margie, 11-year-old girl, who lived in the year 2157, where children get education through computers at their home. Then other characters are Margie's mother, county inspector, then mechanical teacher. Mechanical teacher was an electronic computer. Students, let us see the mind map of this story. It takes place in the world of future where computers dominate everything. Moreover, it also shows how the concept of schools and classrooms has transformed completely. It is the year 2157 and Margie is writing in her diary about How Tommy found a book. Let us come to the mind map now. Tommy and Margie found a real book. That book was about school. That book was an old book. It was in yellow and cranky in manner. That book was about old school. There, teachers are teaching the lessons to many students. But at present, students are learning from a mechanical teacher. So, Margie hated the slot of inserting homework. She did not understand how a person teaches the lesson to all. While reading, her mother called her, "It's time for lesson." So Margie went to schoolroom in her house. Margie's school is in her house itself. Her teacher is an electronic computer. While sitting there, she is thinking about the old school. She thought that old school was much better because students had so much fun when they studied there and spending their time with fun. Students, this story is a science fiction with background setting of 2157. It is a comparative study of schools in present era and the schools of future. It is written in the form of a diary by a young girl, Margie. It is a beautiful and interesting introspection of the present day education system and school behavior. Theme of this story is the future of education. Okay students, let us move to the summary of this story. On 17th May 2157, Tommy, a 13-year-old boy, found a real book in the attic of his house. His friend Margie, an 11-year-old girl, mentions this incident in her diary. That book was printed on paper. It was really old and its pages were yellow and cranky. In the year 2157, this kind of books does not exist anymore. In this time, words are moving on a television screen. While reading the old book, Tommy says that it is about school, but not about their type of school. It is about school centuries ago. Margie is a typical young girl who dislikes school, which is highly personalized and includes a television and a mechanical teacher. Her mechanical teacher was an electronic computer. It was a larger machine and it looked black and ugly. There was a big screen. All the lessons appeared on it. It teaches the students, gives them exercise, and asks them questions. All in a special room in their own house. Margie studies in the comfort of her home. Her homework is checked by her mechanical teacher, and she also gets lessons from it. Margie does not like her school because she is confined to a room and has to study alone at a fixed time every day. Margie hated school. Once the geography sector of her mechanical teacher was geared too quickly, so that her marks got worse and worse. So Margie's mother sent for the county inspector. County inspector was a round little man with a red face and a whole box of tools with dials and wires. He had to rebuild it, and it took him about an hour to set things right. The part Margie hated most was the slot where she had to put homework and test papers. She always had to write them out in a punch code. She was taught to write, so even when she was 6 years old, and mechanical teacher calculated marks in no time. Tommy and Margie find out that students had a human as a teacher who taught the girls and boys and gave them homework and asked them questions. School was a special kind of building where the children went to read. Children of same age gathered in a class and were taught by a teacher. At first, Margie does not understand how a person could be a teacher and how all the students were taught the same thing, because her mother said that education must fit each child's mind. Then it is time for Margie and Tommy for their school. Margie's school was not a regular school like the schools of the past. Her school was in her home itself. It was right next to the bedroom. The mechanical teacher was on at the same time except Saturday and Sunday. As soon as Margie was ready, the screen lit up and gave her instructions. Margie concludes that the old system of school was much better as the students had so much fun when they studied together and could help each other. Students, I think you understood this story. Shall we move to the worksheet now? Come to the first question. How old are Margie and Tommy? Second one. What did Margie write in her diary? Third one. Had Margie ever seen a book before? Fourth one. Where did Tommy find a book? Fifth one. Where was Margie's school? Sixth. Who was her teacher? Seventh. Who came to rebuild Margie's mechanical teacher? Eighth one. Who will check Margie's homework? Ninth one. Which year did Tommy find a real book? 10th question. How was old school? Okay, shall we move to the options now? First one, no, in attic, in her home itself, mechanical teacher, county inspector, building where children went to read, computer, Tommy found a real book. Then last option is 11 and 13 years old. Thank you, children. Thank you, students.